Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and ever since I was in my early teen years, skincare has been a constant feature of my daily routine. So as soon as I saw these Nat& Co. facial towels, I was immediately drawn to them. I have found these to be just super practical and amazing for so many aspects of my skincare. My skin can tend to be quite sensitive, and one thing that I notice about these towels is that they are way gentler on my skin than regular towels. One thing that is really important when I do my dermaplaning is that everything that I use be really, really clean. So that's where these towels are perfect. Before I dermaplane, I wash my face, and after I dermaplane, I wash my face again. And each time I use these towels to dry off my skin. I think that there is more than ample enough towel to completely dry off my face. When I use them, I have absolutely no worries that there's going to be any bacteria or little nasties that might get into my skin and irritate it. Before, whenever I did a face mask, I would rinse it off in the sink, but sometimes I just wouldn't get everything. Using one of these disposable face towels, all I have to do is get it wet with some clean water, and it takes every single bit of my face mask off. They're also great to use with a little bit of makeup remover, and they're super effective at removing all of my makeup. These Nat & Co facial towels are strong enough, versatile enough, and gentle enough to handle all of my skincare needs. But that's just my point of view.